In this video, I'll guide you through how to put a video on Google Docs so that anyone reading your document can easily watch it with just a click. Even though the process is simple, I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect and how it works. Let's start with the first thing you need, the video link. Typically, you'll be using a video from a site like YouTube, but this can also work with many other video platforms as long as they provide a shareable link. Open the video you want to use in your web browser. Once the video is loaded on its page, look for the address bar at the top of your browser. Click once on the address bar so the entire web address is highlighted, and then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut such as Control-C on Windows or Command-C on a Mac. At this point, you've captured the direct link to the video. Now you're ready to move into Google Docs. Open the document where you want to place your video link. This can be a new document or an existing one you're already working on. Click inside the document where you want the video reference to appear. It might be under a section like Resources, Watch this video, or right in the middle of a paragraph where you're explaining something related to the video. Positioning the link clearly will help your readers understand why the video is there. With your cursor in place, paste the link you copied earlier. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the Paste keyboard shortcut like Control-V or Command-V. The raw link will appear in your document and Google Docs will automatically recognize it as a hyperlink. After a brief moment, it should turn into a clickable link, often with an underline and a different color to show that it's active. If you'd like to keep your document looking clean and professional, you can turn that long web address into a short descriptive phrase. To do this, highlight the link, right-click, and choose the option to edit the link. Then, in the text field, replace the long URL with something more readable, such as "Watch the tutorial video here" or the title of the video. The link will still point to the same video, but your document will be much easier to read. Once the link is in place, your readers can simply click it to watch the video. When they click, the video will open in a new browser tab or window, depending on their settings, and start playing from the source site, like YouTube. This means the video itself doesn't live inside the Google Doc, but your document acts as a convenient gateway to it. That's all there is to it. Copy the video link, paste it into Google Docs, and let your readers click the link to watch the video. This simple method keeps your document lightweight, easy to share, and still rich with helpful multimedia content.